Southeast Production.
Fucking A, man, here we go. Boom, bitch, motherfucker. About to roll up on your block, man. Straight up on your set, man. I'm coming through with my 9, brother. I don't give a fuck, man. I'm gonna be up there bouncing the basketballs around, dribbling on your ass. Straight dunking when I'm pulling the trigger, motherfucker. We're gonna dump you in the trash can, dog. No bag, man. Just your body parts out. Goodbye, motherfucker. Boom, bitch. That's how we do it. We come straight from the MLT, dog. Crip side, west side. Wherever we go, man, we do it straight hood, nigga. I'm white. I say nigga a lot because it's funny to me. Boy, I don't be caring, nigga. I just don't give a fuck. I'm an OG from the MLT, man. Washington State, Seattle, representing West Side, motherfucker. Snoop D.O. Double G and Dr. Dre up in the house with Eminem, nigga. We don't give a fuck about the dirty style, yippity yap, nappity yap bullshit. Go pick your nap somewhere else, bitch. We don't give a fuck, man. We're 100% true, dog. We ain't scared of any shit like that down south, man. We put it down, we put you down in the ground, son. We don't care. We put that shit up hot, nigga, on the block. Boom. Yeah, it's what we do, boy. We sit back and rest. We chill out. We smoke some shorts, smoke some weed, man. Get that blunt rolled up for me, nigga. I'll spark that shit up and blaze it up in front of you and throw that weed smoke right in your face, sucker. I'm an OG looking like I ain't slept in 3 days, bro, because that has to be true. Yes, wearing all blue with my gray hoodie, niggas rolling up on the dubs, nigga. Dub it is, dub it up. Fuck a dub, man. We're throwing kilos up in this bitch. Slinging money and cash flow coming out my pockets, G. I'm not gonna stop today because I'm not really giving a fuck. Hit me up, man. 230 64th on the corner with a wooden fence. Boy, I'll be here all day. Sucker, come and get me. I'll get paid just sitting here 'cause what I do. Yeah, ba-doo-bow. Nigga, I don't be stressing. I don't stress about shit. About to be a father. Just found out yesterday, dog. Happy as a clam, boy. Happy as a motherfucking clam in a shell. Never gonna open me up, man. I'm straight tough to this fucking shit. Nobody's gonna make me talk. No feds, no detectives, nothing, bitch. Suck a dick, motherfuckers. Ride on someone else and get them shit. It ain't me. Hell no. Fuck that shit, nigga. West Side.